In this video, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about college. Now, I'm pretty old, so I'm gonna bring my sister, who's going to Babson next year, so she can ask all the questions she wants. Dani, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, Dani, first question. What do you have?
What was your process for moving in, and was it hard the first couple of days?
Well, our mom actually helped me move in, and she was very helpful. And it's gonna be hard living away from home by yourself for the first time. It's definitely a process, but I liked it because you finally get to be independent. I think that the homesickness hits like in December. It's a whole process. It definitely took a few days, but once your parents leave, it's all fun from there.
Do you suggest doing a single or getting a roommate?
So I did a single, and I liked it a lot because I'm very independent. I like to be by myself. That's how I focus. I would just go to the common areas and meet people that way. Either way, you're gonna have fun. It's college.
Exactly.
All right, next question.
Yes.
Let's go.
The height difference. Should I stand on my tippy toes?
Yeah, nah. Okay, Dani, next question.
How often did you wash your clothes, sheets, everything, and was it hard to keep up?
Okay, so I did it the wrong way because I would let it stack up, and then when I didn't have any more underwear, I would do my laundry. I recommend setting up a routine every week or every 2 weeks. It's gonna be easier because you don't have as much stuff.
Is it hard to get used to washing your clothes?
It's annoying, especially in the communal, because your first year you're gonna have communal washer and dryers.
Is it like a floor, and each floor has their own thing?
For me, it was in the basement, so you had to go to the basement, pay like 50 cents.
And did you leave it there and then just wait and come back?
Leave it there, and then you have to go back. And there's times that you go back and people got your stuff and you just put it outside because they wanted to put their stuff. Yeah.
Has anyone ever stolen anything?
No, thankfully not, but it's annoying.
Damn.
The worst part about college, laundry.
Damn.
You're gonna miss mom.
Okay.
Next question. All right, Dani, next question.
Okay, was it hard making friends?
The question of the century. So I went to Boston by myself, and obviously it depends on personality, so I'm gonna tell you, for you it's not gonna be hard. But the tip I'll say is you have to know that everyone's going through you have to know that everyone is going through the same thing. No one has friends, everyone's trying to be nice and meet other people. So my recommendation is just go out there and talk to people, and your friends from the first 2 weeks are not gonna be your friends for all college.
Really?
You'll meet them, it's gonna happen, and you're a very social person.
Are your friends now? When did you meet them? What year?
Well, my roommate right now, I met him sophomore year, and I'm going to Colombia tomorrow to visit a friend that I met my freshman year. So they end up being friends for a long time.
Okay.
Next question. All right, Dani, next question. Why are we outside?
Okay, so how was the weather change from Miami, a super warm place, to Boston?
Okay, so this is more specific to if you're going to the Northeast, right? Because if you're staying in Miami or in the South, it's still gonna be warm.
Fine.
You're gonna be good. It's okay. It's hard to get used to the cold at first. Your first winter, it's gonna be depressing to say the least. It's really hard. But after the first one, you get used to it. And it's super annoying, I'm not gonna lie. The weather sucks.
Did you get seasonal depression?
I did many times.
How did you deal with it?
It's more of, you don't wanna do anything, you're lazy, you don't wanna leave your house. The sun goes away at 5 p.m., 6 p.m.
What are some tips?
Buy a nice coat and just try to survive the winter. Like, there's nothing really except give it time, and if you ever feel sad or alone or depressed, then just try to be with someone. But yeah, there's no way around the cold. It sucks.
Okay.
That's it. So good luck.
Next question.
So we're getting creative with the angles here, but Dani, why are we in a car?
We're in a car because my next question has to do with transportation.
What about it? Like, how do you get around?
How do you get around? How was it with how much amount of money did you use for Uber? Did you use Uber a lot, or did you use the school's transportation?
Okay, so first of all, try not to spend that much money on Uber because it adds up. Try to use public transportation as much as possible. I know it's annoying. It's gonna take some time to get used to it, but once you learn the routes, the lines, it's gonna be easier. Especially Boston has a train, so I recommend you learn the lines as soon as possible. And for school, I don't know how Babson is, but at least in Boston College, we had school transportation. From my apartment to campus, I could get around with the school bus. Next question. All right, so now we're in a bathroom.
Okay, so next question is, how was the bathroom situation? Did you have to wait for people to like shower? How was it?
There's two options. Either you have your own bathroom inside of your dorm, which I doubt, or you have what happened to me, which is the worst thing in the world. You have communal bathrooms, which is basically a huge bathroom that everyone uses, and
Everyone in your building or floor?
in your floor.
Oh, okay.
And so you have to go with your towel, your supplies. I recommend sandals. It's absolutely horrible. You have to brush your teeth there, you have to shower there, get ready there, everything there. It sucks. It's really horrible.
Were there times where you had to wait to shower? Like all the
No,
showers were-
well, in my floor we had 6 showers, and they were
How
like
many people per building?
per shower.
No,
per building. I don't know, per floor. Like I think it was like 8, like a lot, like 30. But I guess it never happened.
Okay.
You know. And if they were packed, you could come back in like 5 minutes and someone's gonna be, you know, because you're not gonna take a long shower in a nasty bathroom, you know. Bathroom situation sucks. Last question.
Last question.
Let's go. All right, Danny, we're in the kitchen. Last question.
Last question is, how did you deal with, did you get the freshman 15? How did you deal with that? How was the food situation?
Okay, so I've always been skinny, so personally I did not deal with the freshman 15. The food situation was it was a meal plan. So you go to like a cafeteria, you pay with your student ID, at least in my college, and you eat. I know a lot of people that went through the freshman 15. It's a real thing because you go from exercising in high school to going to college and just sleeping, studying, partying, and eating. And so if you don't do exercise, you're gonna gain weight. The good thing is that I'd say a majority of the people that got the freshman 15 lost it in the next few years doing exercise. But it's a real thing, so be aware of that. Do you have anything else? Any last words?
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below, and then maybe we'll do a part 2.
Hopefully, after you graduate college, to see how my tips helped you.
Yes.
Good luck in Babson.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
See you there. Like, subscribe, and leave comments below. And follow Instagram in
Talk to see.
Talk to See.
Peace. Are you gonna repost this?
Yeah.
So nice.